In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 26th August 2022 and the day would be Friday. So today was the monthly expiry of August. In yesterday's video, I clearly gave three plans for both Nifty and Banknifty. If it opens gap up, what the range would be. If it opens flat, what would be the range? And if it opens gap down, what would be the range? And you can see, if you go back to that video, you will see both Nifty and Banknifty well played within that range throughout the day. In the end of the day, towards the end of the day, there was some fall, but it was within that range only. It came down and went up and closed well within that range. So any straddle or strangle in this range would have given a good profit. So now what next in September month? So you can see that from here, if you consider it this level, then it was almost about 2930, 2834. That means about 2.8 thousand, 2800 point move in Nifty in maybe June to August, in end of the June to this end of the August. So going forward, it should be a bit consolidation. Now this was the high made, it is 18,000, which is also a psychological resistance, and this 17,300, which is a Fibonacci support. This is the range that could be well played out in Nifty. So Nifty is likely to consolidate within this range. If it breaks above, then a significant move will come. If it breaks down, then also not much significant move will come, because 17,200, 17,000, 16,900, all these will act as support. So going forward, it is a big consolidation between 17,300 and 18,000. This 700 point consolidation we can see in September. So if we look at 1 hour chart, then you can see that it came down, went up, again came down. In day before yesterday's video, that is the 24th August analysis video, you can see that I clearly said that in 1 hour chart it is going to make this kind of a move before it going up, and you can see this double bottom has been created. If this low is taken out tomorrow, then we can see some further down move until near 17,350 level or 17,300, from where some bounce will again come. And if this high is taken out, then we can see at least near 17,600, and every higher level will be a resistance, every lower level will be support. So what we can do tomorrow immediately, tomorrow if it opens flat within this range, then whichever side it goes, if it breaks this side, we can buy with 20-25 point stop loss, and our target would be 17, around this 17,580 level, or RSI 40, whichever is earlier. And if it goes down, makes a bottom and starts going up, we can sell put, or we can even buy on the support level. So now let's look at Banknifty. In Banknifty, as I said, it exactly played within this level only. Look at the high, 39,471 and 38,800. I said 38,700 on the downside and 39,500 on the upside. So going forward, Banknifty is also looking to consolidate, and this high near 39,700 is going to act as a resistance. So, and on the downside, 38,000 is going to act as support. So 38,000 and 39,700 is going to act as the range in which Banknifty is expected to play out in September month. Now in 1 hour chart, here also we can see a double top formation, and it is coming down, double bottom before resuming its move upward. So tomorrow immediately what we can do, if Banknifty opens below 38,700, if Banknifty opens below 38,750, then we can sell, keeping a 50 or 80 point stop loss, and our target would be 1:2 on the downside. Now if it opens with a big gap up, then we can expect some range bound market, and if it opens with a big gap down, then also some buying will come from the lower levels. So tomorrow is not going to be much more. We can expect some positive to range bound move tomorrow. So let's look at the stocks now. The first stock is HCL Tech. You can see if we draw a trend line, it well broke the trend line and is trading well below it, and it's made a kind of a consolidation here, and if this low is taken out, then we can see some fall on the downside. So below 939 we can sell, keeping a 4 to 5 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be your target on the downside. The next stock is Granules. As you can see here also we can see a trend line and it is resting near the support. So if it breaks, we can see some fall further downside. So we can sell below 305, keeping 3 to 5 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be your target on the downside. The next stock is Muthoot Finance. Though there is a window resistance, there is a kind of trend line and it closed above it. So if this high is taken out, we can see some positive momentum on the upside, at least for the intraday. Above 1058 we can buy, keeping a 7 to 8 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be your target on the upside. The next stock is PEL. You can see there is a breakout level here. There is a breakout level just at this level, whole rounding bottom formation. So above 2052 or above 2050 we can buy, keeping a 8 to 10 point stop loss, and 1:2 will be your target on the upside. A disclaimer that all these levels are for educational purposes only. I am not a semi-registered analyst, and if you take any position, you should consult your financial advisor. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.